Alright guys, welcome back. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I got a lot of stuff to do today. So I went ahead and finished up these pipes that were ready to go. So finished the one from yesterday right there, up to the top, and then did this one right here, up to the top. Then over in this room, I did this one right here, and then the other one right here. Alright, so this is the other side of the pipe. Not really, but there's this little pipe right here that goes to the roof, and on the other side, the one I just showed you, it's also going to the roof. Unfortunately, there was something in the way, so I had to scoot the pipe over one, so I'll have to do an offset for that. But I got a pipe right here, and that's going all the way as far as I can. I'm trying not to trip here. This goes, I lost it, it's right there. So I just got it hanging there right now because the air gun went out, so I couldn't strap it to the ceiling, so it's just up there hanging right now by the couplings. So I just got it going here. I lost it again. It's right there. And it just stops on the other side of this. And here's a little baby lift I've been using. It's super cute. It's got these wheels. You can just do 360s. So you can turn super easily. It's really small. So yeah. It's not very big at all, just enough to turn around a couple times, and then that's about it. So I'll show you the one last thing I was working on, and then I'm gonna head out because I gotta go. Probably gonna get a phone call here and be interrupted any second, but this is the one-piece, three-piece, one-piece triple 90 right here. This one I made it long enough to get it outside. There's no coupling right there. As you can see, it's a beautiful thing. Nice and level outside. Got it all strapped, ready to go. Slightly crooked right there on that left pipe, and then coming out of the wall, or going down the wall, it's slightly crooked, but could be fixed if you bang that left pipe, and then that right pipe is just going to be slightly crooked. But got it all coming down the wall. Looks really good, so I'm super proud of that, and that's going to be the end of my video. I gotta go. Luckily, I went back down on the 5th floor because I left my battery out, so I grabbed it, and now it's time to go and charge them up at home. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, and consider subscribing. I'd appreciate that as well. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. Don't do anything stupid. And I will see you guys soon. Back on Monday for sure, but also gonna try to get some videos out over the weekend. So try to look forward to that, or stay tuned for that. And that's all I got for you guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Triggered. Save the salt. Bonneville Salt Flats. Triggered. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. I'm going so fast right now. Bonneville Speedway. You can't even see this. Dang, I'm so triggered right now.